Hey DIYers, I am super excited. I just got a CRAFIT Organization and Storage Cart for my craft room. I love being organized and I love how easy this was to put together. It keeps all of my iron-on vinyls in one place, nice and organized, and a spot for my cutting machine. If you have a Cricut or a cutting machine and need some organization, this little cart is just the ticket. And even if you don't have a cutting machine, this little cart is perfect for all kinds of things. I'm going to leave a link in the description to where I got mine. I think you're gonna love it. Okay, let's put this together and show you how useful it is.
If you've ever put furniture together, you'll know exactly what to do. Everything is labeled and there are easy to follow illustrations. I decided to take my time because I wanted this to be perfect. And what I love most about this is that it's attractive. It actually looks really nice in my craft room. And everything in it and on it is organized so I can see it. Before this, everything was shoved in boxes and it was kind of a nightmare to find just what I needed. A big plus is that this has wheels and I can roll it around my craft room and tuck it away when I'm not using it. The hook on the side keeps my mats perfectly organized and ready to go, so they're not falling all over the place because those things can be a little slippery. Over the years, I seem to have collected a large amount of different color iron-on and permanent adhesive vinyls, and now I can finally see what I have. And because this cart is going to be specifically for my cutting machine and vinyls, I never have to look anywhere else, and I can roll it to wherever I'm filming in my workroom. The drawer is perfect for my little tools and cords so I can plug the cutting machine in and get it going in no time. It's not too big, so it fits perfectly in my space without being cumbersome. I love this little cart.
I'm going to leave a link for CRAFIT in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want some more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you real soon. Bye.